All right, now it's time to add some attacking animation and attacking mechanics to our enemy because right now he's only chasing us and following us, and that's not really challenging. So we will add attack animation. We already have attack animation clip in the animator, but we don't have any parameter for it, and we also don't have any kind of transitions. So first of all, let's go in the parameters. Let's hit plus and we will hit trigger. This time we will add trigger. Let's call this one attack, just like this. Now I will take attack in the middle, like here. And let's make transitions from the run to attack. So make transition and back from the attack to run. And I will select transition from run to attack. Well, we don't need exit time, but this time I will make the transition duration to be 0.4 because after playtesting I noticed that 0.4 works fine. Okay, and well, also we should add conditions. When let's think when should our attack animation start? When we are running? Well, when the attack will be triggered, our parameter, and also when we will be in the range. So we will add second condition, in range is true. Well, from the attack to run, again we will uncheck has exit time, and also we will add condition in range to be true. And only thing that is left is to add one transition from attack to idle, and this time, well, exit time will go, and this time as a condition we will add in range to be false. And that's pretty much it, how we can set up attacking animation into our project. Now let's open our Visual Studio and let's start working on it. Well, first of all, we will need to add few variables. Well, if you remember, we had the detecting range, and when our player gets closer, our enemies start chasing us. Well, we also will need one more range, but this time it will be attacking range. So we'll create public float, and let's call this one attack range. And well, let's make it by default to be free, for example. Also, we will create one boolean, and let's call this one is attacking, just to check if we are attacking or not. And by default, we will set it to false because when our game starts, our enemy will not be attacking us. And not to have some mad attacking from our enemy and to control the amount of attacks that we get, let's create public float, and let's call this one time between attacks. I will make it by default to be 0.5f. Okay, now let's scroll down in the update, and after our first if statement, when the distance is less than detecting range, well, it means that also we can be in the attacking range. So after our in range is true, after our boolean, we'll add one more if statement. Extra logic here. Here, this time we will check if distance is less or equal to attacking range, or what we called, attack range. And also we will add end sign because we will need to have one more condition because we also should use our boolean is attacking. So you remember end sign? This is the not here, obviously, right here. End sign. This is the end sign, and we should check if we are attacking or not. And if we are not attacking, so is attacking, and in front of my is attacking, I will say exclamation mark. I will put exclamation mark. It means that is not attacking. So basically, we are checking when we go in the detecting range, if we are close enough also to be in the attacking range, and if we are, but we are still not attacking, right? We should start attacking. So we'll open and close curly brackets right here. And well, we can use coroutines here, and we will create coroutine. So just for now, I will just comment it out. What we have also here, we have move towards. Well, we will add else if statement right here, else if, and in the brackets we will say quotation mark is attacking. So if we are not attacking, and if we are in the range of the detecting range, well, it means that our enemy should start running towards our players. So our players move towards here. Let's delete these words, move towards from here. And we have else statement. Well, this else statement will work fine. Now, this might be a little bit confusing at first, but let's go through this code once again. We are checking, first of all, if we are in detecting range. Well, if we are, we want is range to become true because we want to run towards our player. And we are also in the if statement checking if the distance is also less than or equal attack range. And if it is, we should start attacking, and we will create this coroutine here. And well, if we are not, we should chase our player, so move towards. And well, we also already know what is this else statement. Just make sure to type everything correctly, because we have few brackets and if statements, and if you do something wrong, this script will not work. So just have a look, good look. Just this first if statement opens here and closes right here, as you see. The second if statement opens here, closes here, else if opens here, closes here, and well, else is also here. Okay, well, now let's start working on the coroutine. And let's scroll down all the way, and we will create iNumerator, because to have coroutine, you already know we need to have iNumerator. So iNumerator, and let's call this one attack after delay. Well, I'm using coroutine because, as I said, we don't want to have some attack from our enemy. We want to control it. So basically, first of all, our boolean of is attacking should be true, because when we are in this state, our enemy should attack our player. Also, we should play our attacking animation. So for that, we can say anim dot set trigger. This time we will use set trigger because our parameter of the attack was trigger this time. And in brackets and quotation marks, we will say name of the trigger. Type it correctly. Mine is attack with a capital A. So attack, just like this. After we will have some delay time. So yield, return, new, wait 4 seconds. And as a delay time, we created time between attacks, this float. So we will pass time between attacks. And after that, is attacking will become false. And well, this function will run for over and over again. And we will have some delay time between attacks. And only thing is left to call this iNumerator from here. So we will say here start coroutine, and the coroutine name is attack after delay. So attack after delay, open and close brackets, semicolon, and let's save the script. Let's go back in Unity and let's check if everything is working. Let's select the enemy. We have everything. I increased detecting range to 8 because 5 was not enough. Well, we have attack range to be on 3. Well, let's make it on 2, I think. And time between attacks 0.5 will do. Now, let's hit play and let's see. Okay, we are in detecting range. Let's see if the enemy, yeah, he is attacking, as you see, when he gets closer. I think attack range of 2 is fine. We can have it on, let's try 2.5. Oh, he is attacking like crazy. Yeah, because time between attacks we have on 0.5. Let's make it on 1. Yeah, I think one works a little bit better. Yeah, this is how you can easily create the detecting and attacking ranges and set everything up for your monsters or enemies and very basic enemy AI system. Of course, it's not enough. He is not damaging us. We are not damaging him just yet. But other than that, everything is working fine.